My sweet potato and my moss burger. Oh, it's a whole new world now. Put insoles in my shoes and I'm not used to them. Don't perish. Welcome. I should not be using my phone. Bon Voyage is all wrapped up. There was a massive line because the Christmas section is sectioned off. Oh yeah, Christmas dropped today here.
Oh yeah.
I didn't know when I booked that it was going to be today. The big hats. I've always wanted this alien one, but I believe there's Duffy hats inside. But if I can't get one, I can always come get this. It's so cute. I wanna put them in pigtails or buns. The only thing Jimmy wants from here is a balloon, so I might get him a Baymax one. Oh, it is so cute. I do not wear ears anymore. The Mickey hats are really cute, and then they have the Lost Boys ones. Oh, doing the afternoon ticket at Disney today because one a full day is too much. And this morning we just went to a couple of stores in Akihabara and chilled out and ate and rested. But yeah, now it is almost 4. Well, it is 4 now, I think.
In front of the pants.
Pants. The Baymax ones are cool, but wouldn't you rather see Mr. Potato Head on them cheeks? Disney train. That one's so cute. Literally, as I was about to get off the train here, I found out they're retiring this week of Penguin, and now I'm bummed out. But Fantasy Springs will fix all of my problems. Come on, Australia! It's slowly coming. Australia, I live down there in Narrum. Waiting for the night tickets to open. How's my form? It got dark while we waited. Gotta get to Scrooge McDuck's. I think they do actually have Duffy in here too right now though. It's so cute. It's $70. That's actually better than I thought it was gonna be, so. This looks so pretty. Scrooge. Oh, kind of a backpack. Oh, this is so cute. This is the hat I want. Shelly. Oh, I gotta put it on my head. That one. They're so big. I want that one. Tell me twice. Straight on. Yeah, please watch your children. It's one of my favorite things. It says watch your children. Oh, so cute. So cute. Oh, I do like a puppet. I have Shelly, but I don't have Lina. Oh, she's so cute. She waved to Gelatini. entrance. Peter, Elsa and Anna, and then Rapunzel, and a whole lot of water. Peter Pan, Boo's Rapunzel's tower, Boo's Peter Pan. Oh no! Peter Pan! I wanna go on hook ship. How do I go on hook ship? Is that Smee? It's Smee! Look at the crocodile! We got eat! Delicious, mean, and scary. And I also don't eat dairy, but I'm gonna eat the snuggly duckling. Yeah! Snuggly duckling! Want to eat at the Snuggly Duckling, you have to pay on your phone with a card. We didn't know that. You gotta order outside. I have a puppet. Open. Oh. Oh, this is so cool. I gotta check my weapons.
はい、ありがとうございます。アファのフライドシュリンプバーガー、緑プランタベースバーガー、フレンチフライポテトが2つ、コカ・コーラとファンタゴールデンサイダーでございます。はい、
ありがとう。It's so cute. It's got the whole dock. They have a plant-based burger. I'm kind of excited about. I didn't see the sauce though. Oh, it's on the bottom. She definitely said plant burger though, and that definitely looks like vegetables.
Yeah. I haven't eaten anything in this long of time that tastes this vegan. It just tastes like soy. Soy.
Just such cute details. And the ducks. What a cute place. Oh. It looks like she's also like painted.
That's cute.
I'd eat there again. Not bad. Oh. Have this thing. That is so cute. I'm sure this looks spectacular during the day, but like it's magical. Even with our busted eyes. Lanterns! Oh, alright, let's go. Oh, those boys. We got here so fast and straight in.
That wasn't 15 minutes.
Hey, I didn't realize it was a glasses ride. These are much worse than the Star Wars ones. You look fantastic. It'd help if I could see with them on. I can't walk on here. Do I look okay? I cried the entire ride.
Oh no. Crying on Peter Pan, Tinkerbell won't.
It's so pretty. It's our turn for the Tinkerbell ride, but Maeve is literally checking in real time how long the rides are. You're not even here. What are you doing? So cute. So cute. Another jolty ride. Fireworks started. Whee! Oh, okay, ship first. Oh, it's so cute. It's my ship now. Mine. Maybe that kid's. Mine. I love Peter Pan. Oh, I hear a plane. Plane. Not aware that the Rapunzel ride had stairs to get up on it and down. People with the sticks are going, no, 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 you leave Fantasy Springs right now. Okay. No Arendelle for us.
No, Arendelle.
Getting super serious. Alright, almost took me out. Oh, that is the tower spot there. Oh, look at that.
And that you will visit us again soon.
Okay.
Good night, and have a safe journey home.
Apparently we're close. At the back of the park. Up a small incline. I'm glad that when I did the treadmill before I came, it was all incline. I was like, I remember Disney Sea. Like mega trees and there's huge lines for them to take photos. Apparently that's cool, but I can't buy a popcorn bucket. Now that makes sense. They gotta clean that up. They don't gotta clean up the trees they're taking photos of. I'm just being a sassy lassie. I have a puppet. Have you noticed?
Have you noticed?
I'm ready to go to bed. No way. I knew they were real. You can't tell me he's not real. He's in a photo. Tokyo absolutely gets... I'm sorry, man. I don't like your songs as much. Even you're about to be closed. Oh, that's a train. Train. Alright. Car. We managed to go on the Flounders ride, the electric railway, the Peter Pan ride, which I cried the whole time, the Tinkerbell ride, and the Tangled ride. It was a really good time. And I got my Landabelle stuff. So I got a hat and a jacket and this, but I wanted to get the Peter Pan popcorn bucket, but I didn't look at what time it closed. So I didn't get that, but that's okay. That is it. I didn't really need it. But I had a really good time. It was really fun, and I really like the Fantasy Springs area because that's why we went to go, because those were like Peter Pan really helped when I was a kid, and then Tangled also helped when I was like a teenager, and then Frozen helped when I was a young adult. So yeah, it was nice. I had a great day. Charlie's a great sport. She comes and does the things that I would like to do and tries to match my energy. Just like yesterday.